God's morning to you all. Today is July 22nd, 2025. I just wanted to provide a quick update on our weekly stock pick, Oracle ORCL. So, yesterday, most of the tech sector sold off, um, mainly some more volatile names that we saw last week that we were trading last week, CoreWeave, CRCL. Um, and yeah, there was some divergence, some stocks that did go up, but we did see Oracle catch a bid early morning and then sold off with the rest of the market towards the end of the day. News did come out last night. I'm honestly not sure which bit of news um, drove it down as much as it did. But we are seeing the kind of price action we were expecting when we posted our first video. So we have again this daily gap here at 241.30. As you recall, I mentioned that price has gapped up or down throughout this sort of uptrend since it broke out here end of June. And yeah, it's been resolved each time, whether it's the next day or a different day. And so we're now looking at price opening around 242 currently, with 6 minutes to go before the market opens. But we're very much anticipating this gap closing. If we drill down into the lower time frame here on the hourly, we did get overnight price action, get that deeper retracement I was talking about here to the 235 level. I am not expecting the open market to go that low, but I do think we should resolve this 241 at a minimum. And what I'm mainly looking for to take position is for a trend line touch here. Instead of the 255s, I'm looking at the 250 strike for this week instead. And yeah, I'm looking for a price to come down to this trend line. So if you recall the 255s, I was looking for anywhere between 47 cents and 35 cents. With the 250s, I'm looking more so in that 60 to 50 range. I think I just want to be a little more conservative, so we can, push these accounts, not as aggressive. But if it does work out where, we do get that 260 number for this week, then, it works out anyway. But I think the 250s are a little more conservative, and we should hopefully see price above this high from last week. So on the options chart, the high is 680. So that puts, a fair market price around 256.80 for the underlying asset. So that's what I'm looking at going into to the Tuesday session. Um, so here on the daily, I'm looking for this gap fill, but also an order block touch. So we should be in that 240 range. And then I use my app called the Option Strat. Honestly, I don't remember when I found it. It was years ago, but I've been using it a lot more since they've kind of updated the quality of their system. So I get a pretty good understanding of what the options price should be based on volatility, and yeah, go from there. So that's what I'm looking for. We also have a 9 EMA here, so we're probably looking to touch that as well. I did draw a trend line on Thinkorswim, and it kind of lined it up something like this. So we're here sorry, I have light magnetism on my trend lines. So it does look something like this. So I can see us getting down into that, again, that 240 to 239 range. I think hopefully supported by market wide confluence. So that's what I'm looking for. We do have 5 waves here on the options chart as well. So if you just get a simple count, uh, so this is what I'm looking for. So a fifth touch down here, and then should break higher like that. So yeah, I do want to see either a hammer or dojji. So say we open just below close, kind of push up again, come down, and then close as a dojji or a hammer. That would be my preference and my cue for what the rest of the week should look like. But I don't think there's any more I want to touch on. Um, the stochastic looks great on the 4 hour. Uh, this out close candle didn't sweep this down close, but we did close pretty aggressively. Stochastic is pretty much reset to turn higher. Yeah, setting us up for the rest of the week. So again, I don't know any catalysts that may or may not be coming, but we are good to go, and we're just going to anticipate our levels being hit. And I will make one more update video about the position we take. All right, cheers, guys.